One can employ REST API to advance a lead or a deal through the sales funnel to the appropriate stage. Let us venture into the Automate Sales section, where we find ready-to-utilize templates for both lead and deals. As part of this lesson, we shall select Move a Deal along the sales funnel. We shall download the completed example and upload it to the server in the same manner as we did in the local integrations lesson. A pre-prepared incoming webhook awaits us, which we shall use to advance the deal to the correct stage of the funnel. Examination of the example code reveals that it leverages a single method to update the deal, for which we must specify the deal's identifier and the desired stage identifier. The example employs the predefined identifier as 1, which enables us to move the deal to a successfully closed status. Let us return to the Bitrix24 interface and select a deal from our Kanban. Upon opening the deals form, its identifier can be gleaned from the address bar. We shall then substitute this identifier in the code and run the example by opening index.php in the browser. The example works, and we can return to the CRM where we can find our deal moved to the Deal 1 status. But how do we determine the IDs of custom stages if they are not system stages? We can make use of the Developer Resource section to obtain the necessary information. Let us utilize the Request Builder. We shall choose the method CRM status list. As a parameter, specify the filter which will enable us to retrieve the deal statuses. Set the filter parameter to Entity ID field to Deal Stage. Let us run the query directly in the Request Builder. Bitrix24 presents the results in both a JSON string format and a decrypted data array, which contains all information regarding the deal stages, including the required identifiers. For instance, we need to automatically move transactions to the pre-payment invoice stage. We must specify the corresponding stage ID when calling the crm.deal.update method. There is a more flexible way to progress a deal or lead through the funnel, such as with a custom CRM trigger added through the REST API tools. This subject shall be covered in a subsequent lesson.